Okay, let's upload the theme. We have a really boring site right now. It's black and white, there's not a lot going on, and we can change this by uploading a theme. So you can think of a theme as like the clothes a person wears. A theme is going to change the color and the layout and the fonts of this site so that we can have something a little bit more exciting. So we're going to go into our dashboard and we're going to click on Appearance, Themes. And there's a button here for Add New, so let's click Add New. And then there's a button for Upload Theme. Now there's some free themes that you can find here. There's like a little store for some of you. Not everyone gets the little store. It depends who your hosting company is. And you can sort of pick through themes, but for this tutorial we're all going to use the same theme. So let's click Upload Theme and choose File. You have to upload a .zip file. You cannot upload a folder. You have to upload something that ends with .zip. And it's going to have a little icon of a piece of paper with the zipper going down the middle. You must upload a .zip. If you try to upload anything else, it will not work. So I've downloaded simplicity.zip from the Blackboard site. I'm going to select it and press open and install now. It will take a minute for this to install. And as it installs, you'll just see, your page shows the loading icon. It kind of looks like nothing's happening, but just give it a minute. And when you're done, you'll see whether or not your theme installed. So this theme was installed successfully. If this says failed, then you need to figure out what's going on. You probably didn't upload the .zip. Now we're going to click Activate because we want to use this theme. So we'll click Activate. And that's going to change our theme from the regular one that comes with WordPress to a more exciting one, which I'll refresh my page. Oops, let me go. Oops, sorry, I'm clicking everywhere. I don't need to be clicking. There we go. So now if you go to our home page, it's no longer that black and white. It's different. Now we have blue across the top, our buttons are different, our footer is different. There's nothing on it though. We have to set all of this up. So we've got the theme, we can tell it's active because we go to the site and now it looks different. So that's all you need to do to install the theme. One more thing I want to show you is that when you install the theme, you'll notice that your bar across the left side looks different. Actually, there's one more thing we need to do. I almost forgot, but this looks different. So now we have a tab called Slides. We have a tab called Mini Features, Portfolio, Testimonials. It's much different than we had before. We didn't have those things. We have a tab called Simplicity, which is the name of our theme. When you upload themes, it can change your dashboard. It's allowed to add these buttons over on the side. It's allowed to add these little ads, which I'm just going to delete because they are annoying. So if your dashboard changes when you upload a theme, don't panic. It's totally okay. The themes do that. And depending on what theme you're uploading, that makes a difference about what's going to happen. Not all themes have a portfolio. Not all themes have many features. So there is one more thing we need to do before we are finished with the theme. This theme was downloaded about a year ago, and WordPress has been changed and updated since then. So we need to click on Simplicity and then click on Update Framework. And there's a button here that says Update Framework because this is using an old version of the theme and we want the new version. So we're going to click Update Framework, we're going to click it again, and when the button disappears and it says we have the latest version of Woo Framework, that means we have the most updated theme. It's very important when you run WordPress sites to keep everything updated. It's just like software. If you have really old software, it doesn't run very well on your computer. It can be slow or laggy, or there's problems that occur over and over again, like it crashes. It's the same with WordPress. You want to keep this nice and updated. So we all want to make sure we update that theme before we move on.